parallel platforms. It is also very spacious to customize your wardrobe.
Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Rivan, which is a joint venture by Amal Group, Sai Radha Developers Nipra Infra, that is located in Goregaon West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project at the exact land parcel where you can see all the towers and the construction is in full swing. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current real estate platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 1 acre. As you can see in the model, it will have 4 wings that will have 2 basement plus ground plus 1 podium plus 20 residential floors, having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and Jodi residences. And now talking about the amenities, this project has 20 plus amenities with gym, banquet hall, co-working space, library, basketball court, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located near Ram Mandir railway station, Goregaon West, from where Ram Mandir railway station is only at a distance of 2 minutes, D-Mart is only at a distance of 2 minutes, SV Road is only at a distance of 3 minutes, and you have Western Express Highway only at a distance of 3 minutes from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. Now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project.
And now we are entering into a spacious 1+1 Jodi of the residential project Rivan. This 1+1 Jodi is spread across the carpet area of 825 square feet. As we enter, you can see this over here is your spacious living and dining area. As this is a Jodi, you can see your living area is very spacious that you can design as per your choice. You can also easily place a 6 to 8 people dining table in this corner. Also, you will be getting full French windows with glass facade for safety and beautiful standing balcony view. Also, moving forward on this side, we have your bedroom and kitchen space. This over here is your kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink, your space provided to place your refrigerator, and you will also be getting full French windows with a utility balcony where you can place your washing machine. On this side, we have the first master bedroom that you can see is very spacious to place your king size bed along with your side tables. You can also see that you will be getting full French windows with glass facade, and the wardrobe space that is provided is very spacious, so you can easily design a walk-in wardrobe in this corner. Over here, you can design your walk-in wardrobe that will have great depth and will be very spacious. And in this corner, we have a private washroom that will come with anti-slip tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And now, before moving to the other side, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move towards this side. This over here was your kitchen space, but as this is a Jodi, you can make this your kids' bedroom or your mandir room as per your choice. And again, you will have full French windows with a utility balcony that you can use as per your choice. Opposite to this space, we have your common washroom, which is very spacious and it will come with anti-slip tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And over here we have your second bedroom that you can see is also very spacious. You customize your wardrobe, place your bed, and you will still have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. Again, you will be getting full French windows with glass facade for safety and standing balcony view. And in this corner, we have your private washroom that will come with anti-slip tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this was a 1+1 Jodi sample flat tour of the residential project Vivan. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you are watching our videos for so long now. How do you like the videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours. So everyone, this was a 1+1 BHK Jodi sample flat tour of the residential project Vivan, which is a joint venture by Amal Group, Nipra Infra and Sai Dada Developers located in Goregaon West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.